welcome back to one of our kitchen projects that we're doing right now. The project's turning out very well. We're almost done. We're 100,000% behind schedule. But the reason we're behind schedule is because of COVID delays. The city shut down. Inspectors wasn't coming out to see anybody. So we just basically did what we had to do with the limited resources that we had. By law, you can't, if you're doing a job that requires permits, you can't close up any walls. So if you're doing plumbing, electrical, you can't close up anything until the inspector comes and inspects it and give you a pass on everything. So that was the problem that we had. We couldn't get anyone out here for about, I would say couldn't get anyone out here for about 2 months. So it really delayed. The client's coming home this weekend, but the rest of the home is finished. I'll give you guys a quick walkthrough of the bathroom. Again, nothing's cleaned up yet, so this is pre-cleanup. We finished everything up. This needs to be, this whole wall needs to be redone. Yeah, he hasn't come back to finish paint all this. We finished everything up. Doing small touch-ups. See, he mudded and taped everything, but didn't give it a coat. Oh, he didn't give it a coat yet. What am I talking about? So, we did a quick little herringbone on here. Beautiful herringbone floors. We have to clean everything up. All the way through, we moved the powder room in here, as you guys knew before. Yeah, because this was an addition that was done, I think, in the 90s by the previous homeowner. We had to put a pump toilet. I couldn't dig, I don't know what's down there, I don't know the foundation issues. I didn't want to be reliable for any of that. So we just put a quick pump toilet in here. We redid all of these floors. We're doing some touch-ups, painting touch-ups here. All the touch-ups will be done before they move in. The bathroom will be fully ready. The only thing that will be left will be the kitchen. So we have all the stainless steel appliances here. Everything that she would need, gas stove. We ran all the gas lines. Everything is ready to go. So now all we're doing, so the beautiful cabinets, beautiful galley kitchen. It's going to be beautiful when it's all fully completed. But right now we are very limited. Everyone is extremely busy, and we're just trying to get things done. Look how beautiful this looks. Look at this. Look at this kitchen. And the plastic is still on, guys, so don't worry, nothing's being damaged. Gas line has been moved. We're just waiting for the island so we can, well, not the island, the end of the, right here at the edge. The end right here. So smaller sitting area. Cleanup will be done this week as well, but we're very limited to what we can do, and we're doing the best we can. So we're making sure that everything is done on as close to schedule as possible. Everything that is completed. Trim baseboards will be finally put in, and the only thing left would be to, you know, put the countertops in the kitchen. And we're going to restain all these floors. All these floors will be restained, the whole main floor. But again, like, man, it's crazy out here right now. If you're in the construction industry, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We're doing everything we can for our clients, and very limited to the things that we have and we're allowed to do. So yeah, so signing out, just give you guys a brief walkthrough of one of my projects. I know I'm doing about 4 more projects like this. One of my basements are almost done, so you get to see the final product of that. And yeah, man, it's good out here, man. You just gotta keep pushing, keep working, and close up these jobs. If you're looking to get into the construction industry, man, I would recommend it. Some days are more stressful than others, but I recommend it. Probably might do a course or something, teach you guys how to get in.